Welcome to That Coding Bro. Now today our video is how to execute our first Python program. Very happy to share this video because it will be more interesting because you are executing your first program, right? So I am hoping that uh, every people not to install any interpreter or something. I will make it to execute online and interactive. Now follow the steps. First open one Google browser and in search bar type GDB 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 online compiler and click on this first link www.onlinegdb.com. Okay, if you open this you will get like this. Wait for a second, it will load. You will get like this, and my screen is somewhat short. No issues. Here language, in right side of the language there will be one bar. Select Python language, Python 3 is available. Then you will get like this. Once again I am telling the link. See, the link is GDB online compiler. Search in Google bar, you will get one link. First link, you click on that link, you will get this interface. In this interface, in language, select Python 3. Okay, and you will get some message. Delete all the message by clicking backspace. Now I am executing our program. In before video I told some print programs and input. If I want to print hello, what I need to do, just simply write print open bracket close bracket, within this bracket double quotes, within double quotes print HELLO. Remember, the print should be in short letters and remaining everything we can wish. I can write hello in capital letters or I can write hello in small letters. If I click on this run button, see here I got hello. Happy, we executed our first program successfully. Hello, we got hello. If you write your name, like my channel name is That Coding Bro, and I clicked on this run button, see, it printed That Coding Bro. Similarly, in double quotes, whatever you write, Ram, it will print Ram. You write your name, it will print your name. If you are happy, share your views in comments. Okay, now we completed basic print program. Now I am telling one somewhat a little bit. I am declaring a variable as 10. See, what is the value in a? 10. I am writing print within double quotes a. What it will print? Tell your answer. It print a. Why it print a? Because I wrote within double quotes so that it will print a. If I remove double quotes, see, I remove double quotes. See the program very carefully, and I run the program. What it print? 10. Because if there is no double quotes, it will print the value in a. For example, if I write 99, if I print, see, it print 99. Okay, in this way we will execute the program. See, for example, if I delete 99, I will print a. Does computer know what is meant by a? Don't know, right? Then what it will do, it will give an error. See, name a is not defined. It is telling that I don't know what is meant by a. Like that it will give error. If there is an error, read carefully, they will give some message. They are telling a is not defined. See, now I will define a is equals to 5. Again I am running the program. See, I got output as 5. This is the thing. This is how we will execute. And I will tell you the, as at last I told one input program. See, input means we are providing something to the computer. See, And what I am doing, I am printing as it is. See, I am running the program. Listen carefully. See down here, it is blinking. Blinking means it is asking the user to enter something. I am entering something like that coding bro, and I clicked enter. See, again it printed that coding bro, because here see, in input I gave as that coding bro as input. Where it is stored? It is stored in A, and what I am doing, printing that A, so that it will print that coding bro. Now see, I will tell hello to that coding bro. What I am doing, how to tell something to user using print only. In print, what I told, in double quotes hello, comma means it will give some space followed by A. Now if I tell, it is telling see hello that coding bro. This is the use of print statement to print something. See, here I wrote hello, so it printed hello first followed by A. What is in A? That coding bro, because I gave that coding bro as input, so it will print that coding bro. Now, and if you want to write your name, see Ram, it will print hello Ram. Okay, this is the use of this video. So we completed how to execute a program in Python, and now it's time to leave. So I am writing one leave message. Thanks for watching. If I run this program, see print means it will print something. Within double quotes, it will print as it is. See what it print. Thanks for watching. Okay, I hope I cleared your doubts. Thank you for watching. Bye.